Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Spotify friend activity on your phone. So first of all, to check Spotify friend activity on your phone, just launch the Spotify app or your website, Spotify website. Tap the home tab at the bottom, and then look for social icon, usually located at the bottom right, and then scroll down to find what your friends are listening to under the friend activity section. Make sure that your friends have enabled sharing their activity for it to show up. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.